Namaste, welcome to Easy Ayurveda. I am Dr. Sudarshan. Today's question is, I am a 38 years old female and I am suffering from anemia, for which I have been taking iron tablets for 15 days, which is advised by my doctor. But after I started taking this, I developed constipation. Is there any Ayurvedic alternative for iron tablet which will not cause constipation? Constipation is a common side effect of iron supplements. Usually, stool softeners are prescribed along with iron supplements in order to resolve constipation. As compared to modern iron supplements, the chance for constipation by Ayurvedic iron supplement is less because in the preparation of Ayurvedic medicines, certain processing methods are followed which can counteract the adverse effect of iron. In Ayurveda, iron metal is converted into calx form by two procedures called Shodhana, that is purification, and Marana, that is incineration. When iron is converted into calx form, a lot of herbs are used for the purpose of purification and incineration. Among the many herbs used, Triphala is the most common. Triphala is a combination of three fruits, that is Amla, Haritaki and Vibhitaki. Among them, Haritaki and Vibhitaki act as mild laxative and they also have protective action over the inner mucous layer of stomach and intestines. Triphala, when used for processing iron, nullifies the stomach disturbance side effect of the iron. This was the scientific reason why ancient Ayurvedic scientists used Triphala with iron. Triphala is used for incineration of iron and Triphala is also used as an ingredient in most of the iron containing Ayurvedic medicines. For example, Saptamrita Loha, Triphala Mandura, Mandura Vataka, Punarnava Mandura, etc. Now, let us learn about Punarnava Mandura, which is commonly used in Ayurvedic treatment of anemia. It is also used in the treatment of splenomegaly, hemorrhoids, chronic fever, inflammatory conditions, malabsorption syndrome, infective skin diseases, dermatitis, helminthiasis, etc. In the treatise Charaka Samhita, while explaining the indications of Punarnava Mandura, it is said that Taha Pandurogan Plihanam Arshamsi Vishamajwaram. That means Punarnava Mandura is useful in Panduroga, anemia, Pliha, splenomegaly, Arshas, hemorrhoids, Vishamajwara, chronic fever, etc. A research study has been conducted on clinical study of Punarnava Mandura in the management of Panduroga in old age, that is geriatric anemia. Coming to the ingredients of this medicine, it contains purified ferric oxide, nut grass, leadwort, false pepper, etc. Most importantly, it contains Triphala and Trivrit, which help in relieving constipation. So, persons with iron deficiency anemia can be very well treated with Ayurvedic medicines under the supervision of Ayurvedic doctor. Thanks for watching. For more such content, please hit the subscribe button. Learn Ayurveda step by step with us. Join our weekly online classes. Link is in the video description below this video. See you in the next video. This is Dr. Sudarshan signing off. Namaste.